The government has come under heavy criticism, particularly from the opposition People's National Party, PNP, and residents in Western Jamaica who argue that 1 month after Hurricane Melissa, many affected families are still waiting for help and claim the recovery efforts are slow, inadequate, and politically influenced.
They have done more than the government. And I'm ashamed to say that I represent a constituency in Westmoreland that we're a part of the government, we're a part of the country. And at the same time, private sector, private individuals, charitable organizations have done more than the government of the land. 1 month, it's almost a month, I think today is a month that we went through the hurricane. 4 weeks from now, it is Christmas. I have over 1,000 homes that have been lost, gone, and probably around 5,000 to 6,000 other citizens that the Hurricane Melissa have affected. And I ask myself the question every day as a member of parliament, and I know my colleagues do also, when we get up in the morning. How are you going to help all of these 6 to 7, 10,000 Jamaicans that have been affected? And in terms of the assessment that is going on, I called last week, I spoke to an individual, I spoke to the manager, and I asked a question. I said, are there any assessment that is taking place in Western Westmoreland? And the answer is yes, they went to 2 areas. And I said, tell me the 2 areas that you went to. And he listed the 2 areas. And those 2 areas were not the 2 areas that were basically the areas that were damaged beyond recognition. And I see where the assessment now that is taking place in communities that basically supported the Jamaica Labour Party. All I'm saying is we can't do things so ad hoc. We are all in this together, both PNP, JLP, NOMP. We are in this together as a country.
Speaking at the official opening of the newly constructed Little London Police Station in Westmoreland, the Prime Minister delivered a fiery defense of his administration.
Which is why I announced a week ago that we are going to transition from giving out of packages, because it's becoming highly political. Who never gets, and if you go to a man's place and then him say, oh, you never called me to go give package with you, and you only give to that. Look, the amount of, the funny thing is this, the amount of JLP people who call me to say, PNP MPs get package and don't come to them. And I said, look, I don't want a political issue. Don't bother make no noise over that. Don't make no noise over that. Right? It is disgusting that persons would want to make political issues over the distribution of aid. We have to bring an end to it then. Because some people can't help themselves. They can't resist it. And so we are going to shift from the distribution of food packages to giving persons coupons or cards that they can go and buy the stuff that they need.